Dr. Toth, congratulations on being one of the Summit Medical Group Foundation's Vision and Legacy Honorees.
Well, thank you very much. I'm honored.
How did you become interested in a career in medicine?
As a young boy, I was very interested in animals, interested in perhaps a veterinary career eventually. But my father and mother had some very good friends that were physicians. And in high school, they started having me meet them at Passaic General Hospital. I started tailing him on rounds, then into the OR, then into OBGYN deliveries. And that really got me really excited about the potential of being a physician. And so I pursued that course and gave up on the veterinary.
And you were in the service?
Yes, when I graduated and got my medical degree, I had elected to do my internship in the service and ultimately then my residency in internal medicine. I really enjoyed the service and I had wonderful assignments, and on that basis stayed for a full 8 years. Fort Benning, Georgia was my internship. Fort Sam Houston, Texas was my residency. A few months at Walter Reed. And then I was shipped overseas and I became chief of medicine at the American Hospital in Paris. And we moved to Brussels. And after Brussels, I was given orders to come back to the States, and I was made chief of medicine at West Point, U.S. Military Academy. And that early in my career, I didn't want to be strictly an administrator. I wanted to practice medicine. So I decided to resign my commission and found the Summit Medical Group through friends that I had known and went to school with before that were at the group.
When did you join the Summit Medical Group?
1968, September 1, 1968. That 68 was an interesting year for the group because they had just built and moved into the 120 Summit Avenue building. They suddenly realized, my gosh, we could put more doctors in it and we could grow our practice. And at that class of 68, I'm calling my class, there were 5 physicians who joined all at once, which never happened before. And that was the big move for the group. And of course, that started this big wheel turning and getting bigger and bigger, more specialties, more diagnostic capabilities and so on.
So you're an internal medicine practitioner, and I know in 2005 you were given the Lifetime Achievement Award at Overlook Hospital. That must have been quite an honor.
Yes, it was. It's distinctly for people who not only practice medicine to the degree that is respected, but also that you do a lot of administrative work as being chief of the Department of Medicine or being the president of the medical staff, all of which I was.
You were the medical director of the Summit Medical Group.
Yeah, that was at the end of my career, so to speak. In 2001, when I decided to quit medical practice, the board came to me, specifically Dr. Whitman, and said, we want you to stay and take on the responsibility of being the medical director, helping get us out of Summit to a new facility and to start recruiting quality physicians to expand our specialties.
So if you had to go back and
I'd
do it all again, you'd definitely do it again without hesitation.
Yeah, I'd do it all again.
Thank you so much, Dr. Toth.
Thank you.
I'm proud to have you as one of our Vision and Legacy honorees.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.